Hello, learners! Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to learn English through a conversation between two people discussing their daily activities at home and work. This conversation is perfect for English beginners. So let's get started.
Good morning, Mary. How are you today?
Good morning, Jim. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you. What are your plans for today?
Daily morning routine. Well, every morning, I start my day by getting up early. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. How about you, Jim?
I'm not really an early bird. I wake up around 7:30 a.m. What do you do after waking up?
First, I make my bed. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually have toast and a cup of tea. What's your morning routine like?
Well, after waking up, I take a quick shower. Then, I have a light breakfast. Usually a bowl of cereal and a glass of orange juice. I then check my emails before leaving for work.
Going to work. Speaking of work, how do you get there?
I usually take the bus to work. It's a bit crowded, but it gets me to work on time. How about you, Mary?
I prefer to ride my bike to work. It's good exercise and I enjoy the fresh air. Plus, it's good for the environment. Daily work routine.
That's a great way to commute. So, what do you usually do when you arrive at work?
I start my day at work by checking my email, but I don't always reply to them immediately. Then, I check my schedule and start working on my tasks. What about you?
I start by attending a morning meeting with my team. We discuss our plans for the day and any issues that need to be addressed. Then, I start working on my tasks for the day.
Do you take a break during your workday?
Yes, I take a lunch break around noon. I usually bring my lunch from home and eat in the office cafeteria. I find it's a good way to relax and recharge before getting back to work.
That sounds nice. I usually go out for lunch with my coworkers. We have a favorite restaurant nearby where we like to eat. After lunch, I get back to work until it's time to leave. After work activities.
What do you do after work, Mary?
After work, I like to go to the gym for a quick workout. It helps me to relax and keeps me fit. After that, I head home to prepare dinner. How about you, Jim?
I usually head straight home after work. Sometimes, I like to read a book or watch TV before preparing dinner.
Evening routine. What's your evening routine like?
After dinner, I usually spend some time with my family. We might watch a movie or play board games. Then, I help my kids with their homework. After that, I prepare for the next day and go to bed around 10:30 p.m. How about you, Mary?
That sounds lovely. My evenings are usually quiet. After dinner, I like to read a book or watch my favorite TV show. I also enjoy listening to music while I do some light cleaning around the house. Then, I prepare for the next day and go to bed around 10 p.m. Weekends.
What about your weekends, Mary? How do you spend them?
On the weekends, I like to relax and take it easy. I usually catch up on sleep in the morning. Then, I might meet friends for lunch or go to the park if the weather is nice. I also use the weekends to do some grocery shopping and other chores around the house. What about you, Jim?
I also enjoy relaxing on the weekends. I spend time with my family. We might go on a day trip or just spend time outdoors. I also like to cook a special dinner on the weekend. Sometimes, I also catch up on work if needed.
Summary and closing. Well, that wraps up our conversation for today. As you can see, everyone has different routines and activities that make up their day. What's important is to find a routine that works best for you. We hope this conversation helps you better understand how to talk about daily activities in English. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep practicing.